Apparently, the AABO show hasn't posted in a while. What has it been, like 3 years? Yeah, it's pretty insane, right? Wait, what's that? I hear a noise. What's that? Talking about Thanksgiving. Never mind. I thought I heard something. Wait, is that something in the closet? Hi guys, happy Thanksgiving.
No, I'm sorry. It's called Dank's Kitten, so you need to like.
Yeah, we're vegetarian. Okay, so in honor of Dank's Kitten, which is today's date, we're gonna play a good old-fashioned Quare Hoops.
Oh wait, no, you saw nothing. I'm not looking at that.
Yeah, he's not looking at that.
We have 13 computers, so fight me.
Okay, so this is Quare Hoot, and let's see who has joined so far.
Naughty name.
And legit, oh
Hey.
no, you got kicked out, man.
Always a naughty kid. Right now, we are about to start round 1, and I created all of this because I'm Gucci Gang.
So in round 1, no one gets eliminated. In round 2, the person in 4th place gets eliminated. In round 3, person in third place gets eliminated. Person in 3rd place gets eliminated. Join the squad.
Kahoot. I opened up my good old Kahoot.
I
and now we
opened
need to get
my Kahoot, and my username is Fight Me. So let's introduce everyone. Fight Me is me, Ollie. Burak is Arja. Goku is Owner, and Legit7349 is Burak.
And since I know that you guys don't want to waste your time and watch an hour of us playing Kahoot, instead we'll do a good old-fashioned
Oh, and by the way, Owner changed.
There's a cow
method
screaming.
known as time-lapsing. We did
I won.
Kahoot for some reason, and then yeah.
So in the first round, Brock won.
Yeah.
I got second place, and Arja got 3rd place.
Okay, so we're not eating our Thanksgiving dinner yet, but there is some delicious Burak over here. Some other food. They're preparing it.
Which one's the actual?
Ollie's mom is making some more. Say hi, Emily.
Hi. Green beans, anyone?
Sure. Mario Party!
Archie does TikTok.
Yeah, he does.
Is there?
So,
Roll your bow.
this is our table.
And then there's
Set it
that
up.
turkey. Like, I don't like turkey, so I'm gonna be dabbing.
Well, come on, man. Turkey's the point of Thanksgiving. It's like hanging up a palm tree on Christmas, eating chicken on Thanksgiving. So, here's salad.
That good food.
Good food. All of it's good. I don't know if you want to get really fancy, but that is known as green beans. Or
No,
if you
it's
live in
actually known as
Spain,
diarrhea.
that is verde.
Banzanas.
Is it seriously banza? I have no
isn't that
idea.
like
and then that's
Delicious.
corn
The
bread,
only
and
good
if you
stuff.
live
That
in
means
Only good
manzanas
that's
hablares.
musur, ekmek, and yeah. Oh, and by the way, you want to see the whole point of Thanksgiving that those guys dislike? Yeah, it's called Big Bird. We are eating Big Bird. It's a Sesame Street Thanksgiving special. Yeah, eat a palm. We're eating. So that is our turkey. Looking delicious. I mean, everything's delicious. I haven't eaten in like 3 hours. How many hours? No clue how many hours. But I purposefully kind of trying to make myself hungry because don't want to let this stuff go to waste because, you know, Thanksgiving's not being great. So we finished our food. It was delicious. And I'm, yep. Clean up squad over here. And yeah, we talked about what we were thankful for. And we also left room for dessert because we're not going to eat dessert until like half an hour later. So cleanup crew, and then these people over here are watching some Mr. Beast. Which video?
Mr. Beast.
If only would focus. It's something about Orbeez. Meanwhile, we paused our Mario Party match. And yeah, we're gonna continue that. But we're in no rush, because it's not a school night. I guess we'll wake up to Black Friday then. So, right now we're playing some more Super Mario Party. We finished our match, and who won the first party?
Me.
And then we did some River Raft Survival, which is really fun.
I would say
Then we
that's the
tried out
best
this
mode.
rhythm-based thing, which isn't as good as the war game.
I mean, I liked it, but it was a
fun
little
for
too
what
short.
was.
It was a little
Yeah,
too
it was super short. It's like the shortest match. Like in ranked, and how long that the matches are, the shortest is rhythm, then comes Raft, but then the longest obviously is the board game.
Because you
Mario
got like
Party.
120.
Yeah, and you get to choose the link.
Yes,
So what are we gonna do
Burak.
next? We tried each like main mode, so
Okay.
not sure. Right. So it turns out that in order to unlock the mode where you get all the mini games, you have to play every single mini game. So yeah, I guess that's in it for hours of Mario Party modes. Which is oh my god, we're so tired. That turkey makes us tired. Like apparently it was scientifically proved that turkey actually makes you
and the combination
tired.
of turkey.
Bless you.
Baby. It's the combination.
Or
of
probably
turkey.
just a
Can we
combination
just take
of all
a
the
time
foods,
lapse?
like some sort of
When
thing.
you take a time lapse, you like look cool and like you guys go like. So we're gonna
That's
take
going
a
into
time
the
lapse.
scenes, have fun.
No, I'm not. It's gonna not whatever. So anyways, right now we're connecting to the network, and right now RJ is like not blocked. It's better than like everyone else. It's better than Wikipedia, so we're gonna have a time
I
lapse.
baked you a pie.
Oh boy, what flavor?
Pie flavor. No, seriously though, we're having pumpkin pie.
And
It's
apple
delicious.
And I'm having.
You know, it screams out fall because it's Thanksgiving after all. So yeah. Oh, plus there's also cupcakes, and if you're into non-Thanksgiving stuff. But yeah, I think I'm gonna stick with yeah. All right, so that's would be the end of our Thanksgiving vlog.
Yeah.
How sad.
We also had pie, but we didn't show it.
Actually, no, we did show the pie. I did. I would forget to show the pie. The pie was amazing.
Yeah.
Let's
So
do
I
a
guess
time lapse now for noses.
Yeah, a time lapse of saying goodbye. In 3, 2, 1. No, I'm just kidding. Our next vlog is gonna be my birthday vlog. So yeah, see you guys.
Brock's birthday.
Yeah. Oh, actually no. No, our next is gonna be Burak's and then mine if we do.
We may have to delay Brock's birthday because
that like come out of
Oh, yeah, true.
packet.
All right. Goodbye.
Good night.
we may have to delay Brock's birthday because
that like come out of
Oh, yeah, true.
packet.
We may have to delay Brock's birthday because of come out. Oh yeah, true. Oh yeah, true.